Welcome to this explainer on a wild Supreme Court case that actually puts strict limits on judicial power.
So, what exactly happens when a court answers a question literally nobody asked? Let's dive in. Back in 2021, immigration judges were suddenly told they needed official approval just to speak publicly. As you'd expect, their unions sued, arguing this totally violated their First Amendment free speech rights. But federal employees have to deal with a specific law, the Civil Service Reform Act. This law basically forces most workplace complaints through a super strict, multi-step administrative pipeline first. Because the judges skipped that pipeline, the district court just tossed their lawsuit right out. The judges appealed, claiming their specific constitutional issues should be allowed to bypass that regular pipeline. Surprisingly, the appellate court actually agreed with the lower court. The claims belonged in the pipeline. Okay, but here is where things get really interesting. Get ready for a huge plot twist. The appellate court completely ignored the judge's argument and pivoted to a totally unasked legal question.
They pointed to recent presidential firings and randomly asked if the whole grievance system was fundamentally broken.
They even ordered lower courts to investigate if Congress intended for this broken system to exist. Well, the Supreme Court quickly hit the brakes, reversing this for breaking a foundational legal rule. It's called the party presentation principle. Basically, courts can only decide questions the parties actually bring up. The Supreme Court reminded everyone that American judges are supposed to be passive umpires, not active players.
The lower court improperly morphed a narrow statutory debate into a massive constitutional issue without warning.
To put it bluntly, judges aren't roving knights just looking for random dragons to slay. Now, Justice Thomas wrote a concurring opinion that took this reprimand a powerful step further. He argued the lower court fundamentally misunderstood how laws actually function in the first place. His main point? Political shifts and executive actions definitely don't magically rewrite existing congressional laws. If courts rewrite rules just based on current political drama, it completely undermines our justice system. So, what do you think? Should courts step in to fix broken systems or wait their turn?